The whole Middle East just took a shocking turn. Welcome to TimesXP's War Updates with me, Priti Atri. And on March 16th, Iran's very powerful Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, the IRGC, they launched a massive and coordinated missile attack on Israel's military site. And wait, the impact? That is sending shockwaves across the region. Ladies and gentlemen, according to reports and statements from the IRGC, Israel's Aerospace Weapon Production Center, it's basically a secret facility where advanced military tech is deployed. They were pounded by a lethal Iranian missile. While the strike reportedly involved hypersonic ballistic missiles, including the giant Fateh, capable of traveling at mind-blowing speed, along with long-range Imad and Qadr missiles designed to hit the critical targets with deadly precision here. But wait, that's not all. Iran's elite forces, they also claim to have targeted the US military gathering points at bases in Abu Dhabi and Bahrain. Multiple ballistic missiles, including Fateh, Dezful and Zolfaghar, they were reportedly unleashed, in fact striking the key locations where the US personnel and equipment were concentrated. According to eyewitnesses, ladies and gentlemen, the visuals, they were intense. Missiles struck across the sky, leaving fiery trails. Explosion rocked the military installation, sending columns of smoke and flames into the air. In fact, alarm sirens blared across the city, forcing the residents and military personnel to take the cover. Here, analysts warn that this particular attack, it marks a major escalation in Iran, the US and Israel conflict. By targeting both Israeli defense production hubs and the US military position, Iran is basically sending a message. It is fully capable of striking across the border, and its retaliation is far from over. In fact, wait, the timing, that is critical. This strike comes amid a broader Middle East war, with tensions already sky high after missile attacks, drone strike and Hezbollah operations along Israel's northern border. Here, military experts say that these developments, they could trigger a chain reaction, possibly drawing more and more nations into the conflict and basically threatening the regional stability here. Well, the Middle East is burning. Skies are glowing with missile trails. Strategic military facilities are in flames and soldiers are scrambling to respond, and that too, all while the global powers watch very nervously, calculating every single move. In fact, the psychological impact, that is massive. Every strike, ladies and gentlemen, every hit, it is designed to rattle the opponent, force the reaction, and shift the balance of power. Well, the broader message is clear. No target is untouchable here, whether in Israel or the Gulf bases that are linked to the US. Iran has demonstrated that it can strike deep and it can strike really hard, using its full arsenal of advanced missile technology. And as the conflict escalates, the world is watching, the world is waiting and bracing for the next move here, because in this war, the skies have become the deadliest battlefield.